Writing equations of line of best fit. So for this, the skills needed would be how to find slope given 2 points, which would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then creating an equation using slope and y-intercept. Now, if you look at this example given here, I've already created a line of best fit for you. Now, in this equation, remember, line of best fit is a line that passes through as many points as possible. It's a straight line which is drawn using a ruler. So our first step would be to draw a good line of best fit. And we try to have the line passing through at least 2 points. More points better, but there should be at least 2 points. And remember, it should follow the trend. Then we are going to determine the coordinates of the 2 points on the line. And then using those 2 points, we are going to use our slope formula to figure out slope. And then using slope and a point, we write the equation of the line. So let's look at the 2 points that I'm going to choose to create the equation of this line. I would choose this because this is a good point which is given, and I'm going to go with this one here. So what will be the coordinates of these 2 points? The first point that I highlighted, the coordinates would be 12 and 15. And the second one, I'll have to estimate. I am not very sure, so that would be the best estimate. And that would be 27, and I'm going to approximately say that would be 75, 27, 75. So we have 2 points now. Now using these 2 points, we are going to label, this one is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So let's figure out slope because that's what we need. M equals 75 minus 15 divided by 27 minus 12. So that comes out to 60 divided by 15, and M would be 4. Now our equation of the line would be y equals 4x plus b. Now we are missing b, so to figure out b, I'm going to use my first point, 12 and 15, replace x with 12, y with 15, and solve for b. So that would be 15 equals 4 times 12 plus b. So 15 equals 4 times 12 is 48 plus b. Rearrange and solve. So b equals 15 minus 48, which comes out to negative 33. So b would be negative 33. So therefore, what would be our equation? Y equals 4x minus 33. And if you extend your line of best fit, you will see that it's going to go below the x-axis, and y-intercept would be negative 33. So in this case, what are we comparing? We are comparing dog's height, which is given to us in inches, compared to dog's weight. So our x is dog's height, and our y is dog's weight. So here, x and y, not very good variables. So we are going to use good variables in this scenario. So our equation, y represents dog's weight, and I'm going to use w for that. And x represents dog's height, and I'm going to represent that by h minus 33. And it's always a good idea to write what your variables are. So let w represent weight, and let h represent height. And this would be your equation. So that's how you find the equation of line of best fit.